ريبوتكي هو هيا لكن هلا السلام عليكم brother. Yes, how are you? الحمد لله الحمد لله. كيف الحال؟
Can you speak Arabic or?
Okay, good. Just I had some comments about the logo. I think this would be the final one. We have taken the last two you shared. We have taken the dark, the one with the dark color, but the frame of the logo, after discussions with the team, we say it's a bit colorful. So maybe if we can, maybe the logo background could be the creamy or without logo, maybe not white, I think, but the background, I think the background of the logo, is it creamy or white? I don't know. So just to remove the circle, the dark blue color, and make the frame the dark blue color, and then the foot inside, and the arrow maybe just use the colors, but remove the dark background within the frame, so that it will be a bit so that we reduce the colorfulness of it. Do you got me? Come again? Okay. So now I'm not using. Okay, let me click. Oh, okay. Anna. ورانا دقائق كده أنا. بس كده. Yes, I'm in the link now. I can see. But I don't see the last logos I'm talking about. Yeah, I see the corner. Yes, the corner. Yes, yeah, these two. We said the below one is good. So yes, so we will opt the colors of the writing is okay. The red for sustainable solutions. So you said that's fine, but the logo, we call it all of the logo, but this part of the frame, this part of the picture, we said we don't want the color. We don't want it all to be the dark blue color. The background should be just white. Are you getting me? And maybe the arrow, and the arrow color. Yes, that one. Yes. Like that one. And the arrow maybe like that. And also the frame. Can we just make a not that white, but add to a frame which is the color of the rather the color of red. Yes. I mean, so let me no, I mean, let me show you. There was a one you shared. There's one, and this is not this type. There's another type. Okay. Just a moment. Let me highlight this one. Is it the one I shared with you? The cross one. The one I crossed. Yeah. I mean the borders, yes. Not that, but not that kind of border. Just a triangle border. Not. I mean. Not. Not triangle, but the rectangular one. The full border. Let me go back to the link. I don't see it. Refresh maybe. Let me refresh. Oh yes, like that. Yes. Yeah, I think now the arrow. Come again. Yes. How do you see now? I think it's a bit simple. Yeah, just to share with me that, and I will share with them for their final comment. Then we will proceed. Which one? Maybe you can make another one for the red color and yeah, maybe so that they can choose between the two. So that. Salam alaikum. Salam. Alhamdulillah. So that we maybe choose between the two. Okay. Yes, like that maybe. Yeah. Maybe yeah. Just make it be a bit creative or something. Then I'm just going for prayers. So maybe talk later. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Alaikum salam.